G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I hope you enjoy our next video about insulation, and just remember, if you need a quote, click on the links and we're happy to help you out. Okay, all done now. This is some pigeon spikes, just to stop pigeons sitting on the edge of the roof. So they're just glued on there, and you can see if a pigeon tried to land there, he'd get spiked. But they've gone to a lot of trouble in this house to put some mesh under there too to stop pigeons sitting in underneath. And but anyway, we've all done here. This was the bit that we just insulated, and that's the flat pipe, makes that really easy to insulate. And so we just lift up a sheet and pump it in on an angle, and it blows in up underneath. So yep, all done.